What's the meaning of Action Man? Action Man. Action Man. Action Man. Action Man. Action Man. Action Man is a toy line of action figures first introduced by Palitoy in the UK in 1966. The term has since been used more broadly to refer to any male action figure, with a focus on military or adventure themes. Action Man figures have been produced in various sizes and styles over the years, and have inspired numerous spin-off products, such as books, comics, and television shows. Today, Action Man remains a popular brand among collectors and fans of action figures, and represents an enduring icon of masculine heroism and adventure.